Do you have any tips as well of if I was a new techie owner, how I would be able to go to these carriers and what do I say to them to help them guide the repairs to me?
Yeah, when I go to the carrier stores and I just talk right away. I go with a tech shirt. Most of the
Hmm.
time, I try to be show up, and I say I bring with me some business cards, and I when I go there, I said, hey, we just open new shop. It's just let's say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes far from your store, and if we are close to his store and their store, I say we are the closest repair store to your shop. If you need anything urgent, we can do the same day. For example, they try to sell new phone to the customers. As I mentioned, when they have a cracked phone, they are not able to transfer their stuff. So we can help you guys at the same day. Well, and sometimes we give them promotions as whoever comes from your store just needs simple charging port cleaning, something like that. We can do free. And if business cards just mentions they came to, let's say, T-Mobile store or Verizon store, we'll give them 20% discount, 15% discount, something like that. And yeah, they're really helpful because they need it too. We both need it. They need to sell their product and we need to, repair. So we help each other.